Welcome to Pavitra Laptop Care. See, today I have received a board NMB891. Actually, this one is Lenovo ThinkPad T490S. Lenovo ThinkPad T490S motherboard. Actually, I have received with that damage means its sock has short. So that condition I received. See here, it's completely beep. It's showing. But once we retest the ICs, then only we come to know it will work or not, whatever it may be. But here it got damaged, here it got burnt, and I cleaned it. So many work are there, but I am waiting for this IC. Okay, that is the one thing. And the second thing is one big IC, that Lenovo Think Engine. One more IC is there. It's a Lenovo Think Engine. So this IC, once we connect the Type-C, it was getting completely hot. So that's why I removed this. So when I removed this, so it's working normally, means there is no voltage in the motherboard, but some voltage is there in Type-C section. So that I am going to tell you the secret of the Type-C, the different kind of Type-C, how it will be and what are the functions of those things. So okay, here in this board I got a Type-C. It's a PDIC called TPS65988. okay, how it looks like and from where you will count these pins, those secrets I am going to tell you. See, before getting the 20 volts, before connecting the main supply to the charging IC, the PDIC gives only 5 or 20 volts. That is the main concept you come to know, because many of the creators already told it's charging IC as per the requirement of the charging IC only PD gives 20 volts. That concept is true or not, that judgment you have to do. Okay, so I'll show you how it will create 20 volts and as well as 5 volts also. So how it will create that concept I will tell you. So the judgment is yours. Okay, put it in command. So anyway, see the charging IC concept. BQ25700A is the charging IC here. Okay, the main supply comes from the PDIC to here. Correct, PDIC it gives, see it has only PDIC, Type-C port. Here actually year 1 and year 1. Actually two Type-C ports are there. The main IC, the PDIC will control two Type-C connectors. Okay. The output from the Type-C means both bidirectionally it will work, right? The Type-C output will directly come to this particular charging IC. Okay. Here actually BQ25700A, the pin number 1 is the input for this. Okay, this IC input is from 1. Actually by the schematic I'll show you actually what is that. It's a PU0201. I'll open the schematic. PU0201. PU0201. Then you come to know what it is. Here actually it's not Chrome, it's Edge, so it will take little time to come. See, here is the PU. Correct, it's what it is. Just a minute, I'll clear this. See here PU201 BQ25700. This is the ICA. Okay, the pin number 1 Vbus. Vbus is the supply for this particular IC. What is that supply? VINT20. From where it will come? It will come from VINT20_in. The main question is this one, from where it will come? Obviously from Type-C. Okay, this is NVDC technology, so this input will come from the Type-C output. Okay, anyway, if this IC what is that input will come, means this voltage will come, then only this particular IC will receive 20 volts or 5 volts, whatever it may be. Okay, first we will check this IC is getting input or not, to confirm the voltage is coming to this particular IC or not, charging IC. That is the first point. So I'll come to this and I'll connect the Type-C. Okay, see Type-C I'm going to connect here. Now we will check this charging IC has voltage or not. This BQ pin number 1. Okay, I'm connecting the ground, and here I'm checking. Please check the multimeter. Okay, multimeter is showing what voltage? The pin number 1. Pin number 1 has no voltage. Anywhere you touch, there is no voltage here. Okay, at least 3 volts LDO or 5 volts LDO, whatever it may be, nothing is coming to this particular BQIC. So I mean to say there is no supply in this BQIC. Okay, but when I check this IC input, I told that it was getting hot. So this think engine input is this 2 fuse. It's a 0 ohms resistor. Here I will check what voltage you are getting. It's a 19.9 volts. See, the first of all, it's not, the charging IC is not getting any input, but here we are getting 20 volts. It means the Type-C, this particular chip, the PD IC is giving 20 volts to us. How it's giving? How it will work? What are the required voltage to this? Those things I am going to explain you. The first thing is, we should not consider the corner pins here. Okay, it has connected. We should not consider the corner pins here. We should consider from second pin, that is the pin number 1. Okay, so by seeing the schematic, so what are the voltage we are getting in this, what are the voltages are required to this, I will connect both Type-C connectors, then what the output we are getting in this. Those things practically I will show you. See, this is the PD controller. Correct, PD controller. The serial number is SN1701012RJTR. See, this one I searched in web, but I couldn't get any replay for this. Okay, but anyway, one image I got, that is TPS65988. It belongs to this IC only, but serial number I don't know. What is the link between this and that, I don't know. But anyway, I got this pin out. Okay, pin out. I clearly told you the corner pin we should not consider, because see here, this corner is the same one, and if you go to board view, easily you can identify this is 52. Here is the pin number 1, and see the image, here is the pin number 1, but here is the 52 and here is the 53. 52, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, that's it. And then it's a 53, right? See, 53. The count you must know about this. 53, again it's a 53 here. Here 12 over, right? It's a 13. Correct. See, it will start from 13 to 24, like that is a 54. And again is a 55. Here is the 48, it's the end. Actually 52, it will end here. Okay. 49 and 50 is here. That also you should keep it in your mind. Here pin number 1 side, which one is there? Here pin number 1 side is 49 and 50. Here is the 49 and 50. Total 52 pins. Okay, clear about the doubt? Okay, now I will count from pin number 1 and 2 from here to here. Here to here, what are the main voltages as per the schematic? See, the main thing is, I will come from beginning 1 and 2. 1 and 2, what it is? Just I'll increase this, just a minute. It's a PP high voltage. PP high voltage. In PP high voltage, what is the voltage here? We should get VCC 5MPD. Shall we get 5 volts in this? Shall we check? It's a, see, the same thing is PP HV1. The two Type-Cs are there, no? That's why here is the HV1, PP HV1, PP HV2, 1 and 2. Both we will check, pin number 9 and 10 and 1 and 2. As per the board view, pin number 1 and 2 and what is that? Next one is 9 and 10. See, 9 and 10, this one and this one. Both I will change the Type-C and I will check. At present, what I connected in one Type-C, there what voltage we are getting. Here is the type C, here is the 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Check the multimeter. I'll connect that just a minute. Yeah, please check the multimeter. See, 20 volts, pin number 1 and 2. No, that is actually 3 and 4. Pin number 1 and 2, there is no voltage. Okay, confirm, pin number 1 and 2, there is no voltage. And 9 and 10. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 9 and 10 is this one. 9 and 10 also there is no voltage. Confirm? Right. So there is no voltage in 1, 2 and 9 and 10. What is that? That is VCC 5M PD, VCC 5M PD. Okay. I will interchange the type C connector. I'll put other port. Shall we get? That also we'll check. I put that. One and 2. Oh, just a minute. Check the multimeter. 1 and 2, there is no voltage. And again, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the one. And again, there is no voltage. Okay, it's a confirm. In both type C connection, there is no 5 volts PD. Next, what we have to check. Next is 1, 2 over, and 3 and 4 are both are connected here. See, what is that? 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is USB Vbus 20. This particular thing will go to first MOSFET and second MOSFET of the circuit. Before CLR, first MOSFET and second MOSFET will go. No, that is the voltage here. So here TBT Vbus is the first connection, one type C, and here is the second connection. Okay, first we will check this one. 1 and 2 is there now, and 11 and 12 both as per the board view. Just a minute. Here is the pin number 3 and 4 and 11 and 12. 11 and 12. These last two. Okay. 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is here. Please check the multimeter. I connected again type 1. Here actually 1 and 2. 3 and 4. What it is? 3 and 4 is the USB-C Vbus I connected. It's a 2. As per this one, it's a type C 2, second connection. So now we are going to check. So it is here and check the multimeter. volts. The type C we are getting 20 volts. We'll check other portion. Other port is the last one here. See, there is no voltage, means we have connected in only one port. I'll replace the port and I'll check both. I replaced to pin number 1, type C 1. Now I will check this port. The pin, see, other port pin supply we are getting 20 volts. Okay, I will check again here. This port is giving or not. There is no voltage, means it's controlling two ports. Even you can connect two type C also, it will control. Okay, now it's controlling any one. Okay, now again I'll put it back to old one, means 1. Now we'll come back to schematic. Now we confirmed this one easily we are getting voltages still here. Okay, this voltage we got, and 3 4 5 6 5, this one 3.3 volts, and here it will end. VCC 3M we are getting or not? 5, pin number 5 we will check. We have to check here, we have to check. Okay, anyway, pin number 5, pin number 5. Two, three, 4, 5. There is no 3.3 volts. Okay, pin number 5, it's confirmed. Here there is no 3.5. VCC 5 also not there. PD 5 volts not there, and 3 volts also not there. We found only this one, 20 volts. Okay, next 5 over here, one more 7 is there. LDO voltage 3.3. This one we are getting or not? Pin number 7, where it has connected. See, here is the VCC 3 LDO PDIC. Which one is required? We will check practically. If we come to here, 7th one is here. Okay, or and now in camera multimeter, see, 7th one is here. What voltage we are getting? 3.3 volts. Okay, I am changing the port, then it will work or not. I removed. See the multimeter, I am going to connect to other port. Connected. If I connect other port, this LDO is not generating. Okay, this LDO is not generating. It's connecting to pin number, what is it? In first port only it's working. Pin number 7. Okay, means LDO is for port 1, I think so. Again we come back to schematic. What name? It's a VCC 3 LDO. Is there any other LDO? Because one LDO is we are getting. If we are getting this, so definitely this voltage will come. Okay, next where we have to check one more, LDO 3 VCC. Anything is there? LDO is not here in PD. But one thing is sure, this one when we connect to this port we found, but when we connect to this we'll find some other LDO also. But anyway, now we found that is the only one. Any other? Okay, I couldn't check. Okay, now 7 over. Now what are the voltages we need to check here? Any other voltages? See, heavy gate will open, then only we'll get 20 volts something, right? So that one, shall we check? Gate okay, but output we need to check, high voltage. This one we found, TP mode. Then what are the important thing to check? CC connection, okay, USB-C, CC1 and CC2 both will check. Now CC1 is the 41 page. Here, sorry, not this one, this one. Here the connection of pin number 40. Small one, okay, check in camera. So this is the one, right? There are two, big and small. Yes, this is big and small. Here pin number 40, it's a CC1. I connected to pin 1, right? So please check the multimeter. I'm again connecting to USB type 1. Now I'm going to connect CC1. What the voltage? There is no voltage. What about CC2 in pin number 1 only? I mean type C 1 only. Here CC2 USB 2 here. Okay, next one. So camera, multimeter. See, CC2 should get some voltage. I'll keep it properly. When you connect type C 1 connector, there is a voltage called 1.6 volts. Okay, if you connect one port, then CC2 means CC1 is there is no voltage, and CC2 should have 1.6 volts. Okay, now I'll change the port. Now still we are checking CC2 only. I removed the connection and again I am giving other port. There is no voltage in CC2. CC1 I will check. See, other port has 1.6. Actually constant will come, but I am able to keep it properly. Just a minute. Almost 1.6. It's varying, but anyway it's a 1.6 should be there in CC1 and CC2 line. If it has two ports, in one port should be 1.6 volts, in other port there should not be voltages. Okay, CC we checked, Vbus we checked, 20 volts it's coming, and LDO was coming, right? 3.3 volts LDO in port 1. In port 1, but again the LDO, so pin number 7 was there, right? So that one here U5901, again 13. What is that 13? I'll check in schematic. There is pin number 13 here. See, what is that? 13 is here. That is reset PD. Okay, anyway we couldn't find that LDO voltage. In one port it has connected. Okay, now we will check this voltages. See, it's a VCC 3 sus and VCC 3M. 3M we checked or not? Right. VCC 3M is already not there. If you check also, there will be no voltage. This one not there. But sus we didn't check, right? So that one we will check in 22, 23 and here 29. No, this one is here 29, 28, 27. 29, 28, 27 here. Okay, but supply is here. This one VCC 3 sus. This we will check it's a present or not, means here. Okay, here also we will check that VCC 3M, both we will check it, both connector. I am connecting type C again, type C 1. Okay, type C 1 now I connected. We check. There is no voltage. The 3 sus is not there and M also not there. Okay, both are not there. Now what we have to check? Anything else important thing? Just a minute. Now I will connect port 2, then also we will check this voltage is present or not. I am connecting to other port, connected. Let us check. there is no voltage, there is no voltage. See what we checked here, this one, it's not present. Okay, here this also not present, this also not present. Here VCC3 LDO PD should be present. Okay, should be present. In one port it came, but other port I didn't check because here there is no other options, right? So in other port it's not coming, in one port it's coming LDO PD. And next, if you connect one port TBT, consider it's a port 2. Actually what we said here is a port 2. Here we are getting 20 volts. Okay, here also we are getting 20 volts. The port other two, second port. And what else we got? What we got? Nothing. This also not there. Correct. And one more thing we can see here, VCC3 LDO PD. That is the one, right? We got. Just a minute. Here VCC3 LDO PD. What it gives? It gives one more thing. See, ADCIN 6. Here the 6 pin is here. The voltage is present or not? It should be present, because see, as per this we are getting LDO voltage, then machine should, it will come here. Yeah, see, ADCIN 2, it's a separate port, and ADC1 is the separate port. ADCIN 2, where it will go? ADCIN 2, so it is ADCIN 2 8. Okay, we will check both the port. First I will connect the port number 1 and I will check ADCIN is present or not. Pin number 6. I am connecting to old port. Let us check it's a present or not. So what is the pin number? As per this is pin number 6. This is the one. In the camera, if we check here, the one, this is the one, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here I'll check the multimeter. See, 3.0 volts we are getting in AC in 1, correct? ADC in 1. And what about ADC in 2? Pin number 8. Pin number 8. What it is? Here, side 1. Okay. Both the condition I will check. Actually, this is the one. Pin number 8. Both are present. Okay. ADC in 2 should be present, and ADC 1 I'll check. Just a minute. Open the camera, and here I'll check. This is ADC in 1, 3 volts, and here ADC in 2. Just a minute. 3 volts. Okay, I'll change the port and I'll check. Three volts. Okay, now it's confirmed, right? So what are the voltage must be there to get 20 volts? ADC in 2 and ADC in 1 for both the port, and here is the 20 volts or 5 volts in this port, and here is the LDO. That's it. Okay, nothing else in this. So if any important things are there, so definitely in next video I will show you. Okay guys, now you come to know there is no voltage in Type-C. No, Type-C output of this input. Here BQIC has no voltage. Then also we are getting 20 volts. That is a true or not? True. It means the summary is 20 volts is depending on this particular type C. Understood? Here actually it's a 12.5, you will get no, that one NVDC technology is depends on this one. Clear? That's it. If you have any questions, so please put it in comment. I'll try to solve it my level best. Thank you.